Hello everyone, I'm Taj Khan from Afghanistan. I'm doing master degree in atomic and molecular physics from University of Science and Technology of China. I got CC scholarship for my master studies in 2017, and today I'm here to discuss and share my experience with you guys that how I applied for CC scholarship in University of Science and Technology of China. The application period for CC scholarship in USTC is from 1st December 2020 to 30 March 2021. Most of Chinese university offer CC scholarship, and you can check the list of university in this link by yourself. But here I will only discuss a step-by-step application process for CC scholarship in USTC, and you can check the application process for CC scholarship in USTC and this link by yourself. And the both links are given in description. You can see introduction video to University of Science and Technology of China in this link, and the video link is given in description. In this PPT, I will discuss coverage of the CC scholarship, eligibility criteria, required documents, and step-by-step application procedure. CC scholarship will cover free accommodation, and they will give you a stipend of 3,000 CNY per month for master students, and for doctoral students it is 3,500 CNY per month, and they will also provide a comprehensive medical insurance. While the eligibility criteria for CC scholarship is very easy, applicant must be physically and mentally healthy. For master studies, applicant must have bachelor degree and be under the age of 35. For doctoral studies, applicant must have master degree and be under the age of 40. While the required documents are a passport size photo, photocopy of passport with validity of at least 1 year, a study or research proposal no less than 800, a CV, two letters of recommendation from full professor or associate professor with number and email addresses, a physical examination form, and you can download this form from this link, and the link is given in description. English proficiency certificate in case of no IELTS and TOEFL, and notarized copy of degree certificates and academic transcript. Note: you must have all these documents in soft and hard form. Before start application procedure, you must have an email because the application procedure is completely online and is completely free. Step 1. Open this link in Google Chrome, and the link is given in description. To convert the Chinese into English, just click on English button and fill all this information like this, and then click on submit button. After click on submit button, they will send an email to your email address, and open this email and click on the given link to confirm the email. Please fill the validation code and click on sign in and apply. These are the instructions for Chinese government scholarship information system. Please carefully read the instruction before applying for scholarship, then start application by clicking application online. Click on edit personal detail. Fill all these information according to your own information and then click on verify and save. After successfully fill personal information, you have to fill education and employment history and other contact informations. And you can maximize this information by click on plus. After successfully fill all this information, you have to click on finish. Now select type B applications and click on add a new application. Then this page will appear. The most important thing in this page is agency number for USTC, which is 10358. You have to fill this agency number. Then the University of Science and Technology of China will appear automatically, and fill all this information according to your own information and then click on verify and save. Kindly upload all these documents which are required and then click on submit. Now before click on finish, you have to view your application form by click on view. If there is any mistake, you can edit your application form by click on withdraw. And if there is no mistake, you can finish your application form by click on finish. Now you can download and print your application form by click print the application form. Note: after print the application form, sign the last page of your application form and take a scanned copy of your application form for the use in step 2. Step 2. Open this link in Google Chrome. The link is given in description. Now click on register and fill all this information, then click on register and receive an email. After registration, you can log in into your account. Select your level of studies you want to apply for and click on next. Now you have to choose Chinese government scholarship and upload application form for Chinese government scholarship and fill the serial number of CSC application form and then click on next. Kindly complete all these 9 steps successfully, and before submit your application form you have to review your application form, because after submission of application form you can't make any change in your application form. After successfully submission of application, you can check your application status by logging into your account. Step 3. After applying online, applicant must submit application material to Office of International Cooperation of USTC by post or in person. Application material submitted by email will not be accepted. Application material after arriving after April 10, 2021 will not be accepted. Application material are given in next slide. These are the application material for CSC scholarship. You have to make 2 copies of this material and send to this postal address. If you found this video informative, kindly like this and share this with your friends, relatives and class fellows. If you have any recommendations and questions, you can share with me in comment section. I will try my best to fulfill all these recommendations and will try to answer all questions. If you want to know about CC scholarship in more Chinese university, kindly subscribe CC Scholarship China. Thank you very much.